When you first wander into the North Hangar, this is the first sight that you see. I don't even see it behind me because of the sun, but that's our Lancaster. It really is imposing to walk in straight to the hangar and look at that. Isn't that amazing? Yeah. Anyway, it wasn't too. I've already had a chat about the Lancaster, but you can see how good the engines are. I did mention that to you before, if you remember. Look, you can see that they're not far from actually being capable of operating. They haven't been touched by us, haven't been changed since we got the aircraft, so it's amazing. And you know, I mentioned there was some oil would come out. Well, actually, here you go. I only cleaned this, I think yesterday or the day before. Have a look. Can you see that? Hopefully you saw that. That was oil on the ground which has come from the bottom of the engine here, and indeed if we wandered around you'd see it from the other engines. So I'm just wandering around a little bit now. We're down at ground level. There's our Mark 22 Spit, Mackie and a de Havilland Vampire. But the reason I popped down here was to have a look at this, which is the Canberra, the English Electric Canberra. I don't know if you can see inside where the pilot sits. There might be too much of a reflection there, I'm not quite sure. Maybe you got that, but we have a pilot sitting in there, which is pretty cool. Now, this aircraft was one of the most successful aircraft the RAF ever had. They flew these up until I think it was 2008, which meant that it flew for something like 57 years, I think it would be. They first looked at the design of this aircraft back in the late 1940s, and obviously it flew in the 50s. Its biggest claim to fame was the fact that it could fly at just over 70,000 feet, which meant that not many other aircraft in the world at the time could get anywhere near it at that height, which meant it was a brilliant aircraft. It was used for nuclear tactical strikes, but also went on to be used for photographic reconnaissance, electronic reconnaissance, and indeed in the museum we have a whole heap of cameras and so on here, you can see, which reflect that. We also have its power plant, the Avon engine. You can just see it through at the back. You can see inside the bomb bay there. And we're about to improve this exhibit as well with some television which tells you all about the Canberra. And we've got some videos of it and its history, which will make it a little bit more dynamic rather than just looking at the static display, and will tell you all about its history. So that's our Canberra, one of our prized possessions in the North Hangar, as well, of course, the Lancaster NX622.